Oh heck, I'll bet you didn't know that we do everything on these machines. So we build our own electrical panels, we prove these things out, we actually do our own coding, so we'll wire this whole darn thing right here. You know, in fact, we do a lot more than just that. We'll plumb the machines, we'll label the machines, we'll do the whole thing. In fact, we actually laser the enclosures. We bring them in flat sheet form, get them lasered, then we weld them together, so we got a whole fab area where we're doing all of this stuff. We actually do the programming here. So this whole operating system, we do all of this stuff in-house too. So you're not going to find many people who are this vertically integrated. You know, how many of those people out there are going to be wiring the panel, doing all of this programming, welding this whole darn thing together? And on top of that, we actually machine all of our own parts. So we really don't job anything out. Well, you might be asking why. Well, have you noticed since COVID how lead times are through the roof on things? Everybody thought it went away, but it really didn't. You know, the screen took us over a year to get. So how do we solve those problems? Well, we bring all of the manufacturing inside. We bring all the programming inside. We bring all of the electrical inside. We bring all of this stuff inside so that we do all of these things here and we're more in control. We still have problems with the supply chain. Like I said, this darn guy took a year to get. But the more we do in-house, the more we can control those things. We can keep those employees here. And when the industry ebbs and flows and the economy goes up and down, now we have welders, we have electricians, we have programmers, we have machinists, we have CNC machines, we have all of these other things. So we literally do everything here. We really don't job anything out. On top of that, we have a full design department. You've probably seen that in some other videos. But we're going to make you this whole book. So when you buy a machine, we're going to give you the operator's manual. We're going to give you all of the prints so that you can figure out everything you need to order. We call out the manufacturer part numbers. We don't disguise it with our own part numbers. So we tell you exactly the brand and we tell you exactly the part number, where it's used and how you take it apart. So we'll actually blow this thing up so that you can see how it goes together and how it's assembled. So there's a good explode view right there. So like our a rotary table is a good one. The rotary table will show you exactly all the different parts that you use, all of the part numbers, the manufacturer. We'll go into really, really great detail here so that when you get this machine, you really know what's going on, and then you can identify the part you need and call us up and get it. So we're really pretty turnkey here. You're not going to find many companies like that. Hope that helps you understand us a little bit better.